Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a uh, quick feature using the modifiers, and I just discovered a bug, so I'll be fixing that soon. What I think I'm going to start doing is shipping an update Friday or maybe over the weekend each week. So things like this will hopefully get fixed pretty soon. But um, if I've got two shapes here, if I animate the rotation, it'll control the position using the linear modifier. So how I set that up, um, I'll just delete this one. Um, and I want the rotation of the polygon to move the X position of the circle. So I'll select my polygon, go to modifiers and click plus modifier. And I'll choose the linear. So this is like the linear expression in After Effects. And I want it to drive the ellipse. So I want the polygon to stay in same position, and I want it to modify the ellipse. And I wanted to change the X position, so that's good. And I want it to take this polygon, this layers, not opacity, but rotation. And then I can set the in and outs here. So if I'm using rotation, I probably want this to be 360, but I might actually want it to go in the negative direction too. So I'll do negative 360 as well. And then I'll take the in and out to the same. I think minus 360. Oh no, actually, I'm sorry. Okay, so these numbers will be right now the way it's set up. It'll match it exactly. It's only moving 360 pixels either way, so it's matching one for one the rotation. I actually want it to go kind of all the way over to this side. I'll just say negative 900 and positive 900. So when the rotation is 0, if I go into my rotation settings, I'll set that to 0. It's right in the middle. And then I can drag this minus 360. It's going to be all the way over there, plus 360. If I hold down shift, it moves faster. It goes over there. So a couple notes. I just noticed the rotation, you can't click and drag it past 360. You can keep rotating it forever. But for some reason, this little widget is only going up to 360 or minus 360. Can't go further in either direction. So you'd have right now you have to click on this guy to do that. But the other thing was, oh, you might have seen that there was a glitch right there. If I go past, I'm not sure what is happening here. I think what's happening is it doesn't know it's done a full rotation because the numbers are jumping. So it's going from about 270 up to 600. So there's something weird going on with the math there. And then it's just not behaving, like I can't go back into the positives for some reason. So anyway, if I click and drag this, I can get it back to where I need it to be. So anyway, that's the linear modifier. It's kind of like set driver, set driven, but you can set driver, set driven doesn't have those extra controls, so it's only going to match the rotation one for one. What you would want to use this for probably is just like parenting. So if I wanted, let's say the scale, so I'll say it'll drive. Oh, I don't have. Okay, this needs scale linked X and Y. I'll just do X for now. It's fine. and I'll take it from this layer's also scale in the X. So now it's going to match the scale 1 for 1. If I change that, um, oh, okay, sorry. My scales here are linked. That's why it was doing that. So if I unlink the scale, you'll see it's behaving as expected. So what I need to add is have the scale X and Y linked. So like another option, I guess. And I'll add that soon too. So anyway, that's kind of how you would parent one property to another. There's maybe a little too many controls. Like if you just want something to follow the rotation of another thing, that's yeah. So you can do that. This may be a little bit too complicated, but we'll see how it works out. If you do want to parent a layer, that's if you untwirl here, you'll get a list of the layers, and I'll just choose polygon 2 to follow the ellipse, and now I can click and drag and it'll be parented. Okay, and again, just click the X here to remove it, remove that modifier, and we're back to just where we were. If I reset this. All right, so that's it. Quick tip for today. More updates coming soon. Thanks for checking it out.